Hello guys, welcome back to Yellen App. For today's video, we are going to show you how to create presentations with Gamma AI. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we want to do here is we want to go to gamma.app. So in this case, if you haven't visited their website here, well, you could actually sign up for free, which is really cool because we'll be able to create presentations that is powered by AI. So all we need to do here is just click on the sign up for free button here, and it's going to give us an option to create an account. Now in this case, you could go ahead and use your Google account for you to create your account. So let's just choose Google here, and from here we want to choose our account. Now once you've chosen your account, it's going to start processing your account, and from there your account should be able to be created. So in this case, it's going to say welcome to Gamma. So to get started, give your workspace a name. So we want to set this to either personal or a team or company. Now if you're working for a company, choose the team or company, but if you just want to test this out, let's just choose personal. Now from here, add a name for your workspace and just click on create workspace. Now from here, it's going to ask you a few things. So in this case, it's going to say, how do you plan to use Gamma? So we want to choose personal use, and from here, what kind of work you do. Now in this case, we want to say we are a creator, and from here, it is going to be optional. It's going to ask you, how did you hear about us? So maybe you could say from a YouTube video, or from an article online, or from a friend. But this is optional. You could go ahead and leave this as empty and just click on get started. Now from here, it's going to say, hi, I'm your AI designer partner. So it's going to ask you what type of presentation that you want to do. So we have presentation, document, and web page. Now in this case, let's just choose presentation. And from here, it's going to ask us what topics that we want to discuss here. Maybe we want to say classical art. Now in here, let's just go ahead and type that out. And from here, just hit on enter. Now here it's going to say sound interesting. So here it's going to give you an outline or the possibilities on the topic itself. So historical background, characteristics, and a lot more. Now if you want to add a bit more about it, you can go ahead and just press on enter. And from here, just enter the type of, like for example, point or bullet point that you want to discuss with your presentation. Like for example, samples and influences. Oh, sorry, let's just say samples. And from here, just click on continue. Now from here, it's going to automatically create that. So as you can see at the top left of your screen, you'll be able to see a bar here. It's going to start the creation process. Now from here, you'll be able to choose a theme. So you could choose the default here, the dark, the marine, and the Atacama. So there's a lot of templates that you could use here. Like for example, we want to use this one. So let's go ahead and click that. From here, click on continue. Now here, it's going to say adding fonts and start creating your presentation. So let's just wait for this one. So it might take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on your topic itself. But as you can see, the presentation itself is building itself on our screen right now. So as you can see the overall structure. For now, let's just wait for it to complete. And as you can see, it just completes creating the presentation itself. Now, there's a few things that we could do here. So at the left side, you'll be able to see all of these slides that you have for your presentation. Now, in this case, when you go to each slide here, you could actually edit those slides, which is really cool. Like for example, if you want to say hey on this specific section here, or if you want to paraphrase that specific section, you could go ahead and do that. Now at the right section, we have different tools like card templates, the text formatting, the color blocks, and the layout opinions. Now for example, if you want to add images, you could go ahead and just click on it, and from here you could basically generate an image with AI, web image search, or image upload or URL. Now if you want to use GIFs, like for example for this one, I want to add this dog. Since this dog is a work of art, you go ahead and do that. And from here, what we could actually do next is we have the AI or edit with AI. So if you choose this option here, so for example, we've selected this specific maybe select this section here. So if you select a specific slide here, you could go ahead and interact with this AI. So in this case, we want to basically, let's say we want to expand on this with more details. We just need to reply that. So it's not restricted to the responses here. You could enter your responses itself here. And as you can see, it's changing real time, which is really cool. Now from here, this is the suggested and this is the original. You could revert that back. But yeah, so the cool thing about this one is you could still use AI after generating, and making your presentation is a lot more easier. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yalan App. Thank you for watching.